Hey all, welcome to Tembusu. Today, to prepare you for TWW, I'm going to be teaching you 5 ways to make your Zoom experience great. Rule number 1, take the time and opportunity to make new friends in Tembusu. We've got a lot of great people over here.
Why don't you guys introduce yourselves first? Joshua, do you want to go first?
Hi Joshua.
Yeah.
Yeah. Introduce yourself. Joshua?
Reconnecting. Wow, Wi-Fi bad eh? Rule number 2, with all of us on the network, it might get slow sometimes. Remember to socially distance yourself even as you get closer to the router. Hey, social distancing leh? And wear your mask! Rule number 3, always make sure that your host locks the meeting. You don't want any unexpected guests inside your room.
It's so nice to meet all of you here today. Everyone say hello to each other. Hello!
Hi everyone, oh my god, I'm so excited for cap orientation. I even wore the cap shirt.
This is Tembusu.
Sorry, what?
Yeah, it's Tembusu.
This isn't the cap.
Yeah, this is not the cap
This is
orientation.
the...
Yeah.
This is the... Okay,
Cap's the other side.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Silly goose. Rule number 4, you may not have to leave your room, but always remember to be properly dressed for your Zoom calls.
And you can take the opportunity to discuss things and explore ideas. Yeah.
I'm eating. What do you want? Nice.
Zach! Very colorful, Hey, your pants! Very colorful,
Rule number 5, always inform your friends before leaving or taking a break.
Actually, so right now, next on our list, we actually have Talk by Tommy Ko. So you guys can just take a little break for a while and then later you can come
Guys, I'll
back.
be gone for a while, okay? See y'all.
Willis? Hey, someone get his attention. Willis! Your pants! Willis!
And there you have it, folks. 5 ways to make your Zoom calls great. Have fun at TWW. See you there!